Hello guys, glad to see you here. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the T. Rowe Price Brokerage account section of their website. If you're looking for a reliable platform to manage your investments, this review will give you all the details. Let's dive in. T. Rowe Price is a well-known name in the investment world, and their brokerage accounts are designed to help you grow your wealth. One of the standout features is their competitive pricing. For online equity trades, T. Rowe Price charges zero commission, which is a huge advantage for investors looking to save on costs. In addition to stocks, you can trade ETFs, mutual funds, and options. For options trading, the fee is 65 cents per contract, which is quite reasonable compared to other brokers. T. Rowe Price also offers a wide range of research tools and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Another great feature is the ability to access your account 24/7 through their online platform or mobile app. This makes it easy to manage your investments on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to check out T. Rowe Price's website if you're interested in their brokerage accounts. See you in the next video.